following portion of Daytime Blue Ridge is sponsored by
Well, you may have heard about ductless air conditioning systems and may have wondered if it's right for you and your family. Here to share the top 5 benefits of a ductless system is Ted Puzio. He's the owner of Southern Trust Home Services. Welcome. Great to have you again.
Thank you for having me back.
These seem really, really cool. And you were just mentioning that you just dropped off your son to the University of Alabama, and they had them all over the place, right?
It was fantastic. Every room they had it in. All individually controlled.
So cool. All right, so let's talk a little bit about the benefits. Number one, costs less to operate. Why is that?
You don't have to have a big system running the whole house. You could just run each independent room and run that way and keep it down. Smaller system, smaller cost.
Sounds good to me. All right, customized cooling and heating. Talk a little bit about that.
Same thing. Each individual room could be, one could be cooler, one could be warmer. If you're not utilizing another room, you could turn it off completely.
Okay, and these are small units, right? We were looking at a picture earlier, and how are they installed?
Basically, they're mounted on the wall in the room up higher, and then you can have remote controls in your hand to adjust the temperatures on it and the speed.
It's that easy.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Now, there's a picture of it. So you have one bottom unit that, what is that? Just like a fan?
That'll be your outside unit.
Okay.
And then the one on the top will be your inside unit. So that's how small it is in your room.
And then just use the remote to adjust accordingly.
Yep, it's perfect.
I love it. Okay, so let's talk about adding AC to a home with no existing ductwork.
And that's where that would come in handy. You don't need any ductwork for that system. You could put it in a room and be fine, where the typical system you have to install into a closet or basement and run the ductwork into each individual room. This you don't. That unit is mounted in that room.
Yeah, like my house, it's an older home.
Oh, it's perfect.
It would be perfect because our upstairs gets really hot in the summer, and the air conditioning doesn't seem to really get.
It won't circulate it through there, where this will be in those individual rooms.
I love that.
And it's perfect for older homes.
Yeah, and then of course if you have a new addition to your home and you don't want to have to go through the whole expense of heating it or cooling it, you can add that to that as well.
Basement remodels, another good thing is you don't have that ceiling height typically where you're going to have to hide the ductwork. So this would be perfect.
That's a good point. Okay, and then it improves indoor air quality?
Right, because you're going to have that filter system in each room. Basically, it's going to run a filter through there in the system itself.
Okay.
So it's going to filter it out. You have to obviously change your filters on the unit, and that's your head in the room. You'd have to change that.
Okay. And we talked about cost earlier, and then in the long run it's going to cost you, it's going to save you some money. But talk about initially, how much does something like this run?
The system itself is more efficient. That's where the cost is going to come in. Plus, you don't have to run a complete system to cool the whole house. It's individually. The cost of that depends on the room size and the area you want to cool, because that would determine the tonnage or the size of the system. Okay. So they vary for a few thousand and up.
All right, sounds good to me. If people want to call you and contact you and have you come out and look at the space that they were thinking about, how do they get in contact with you?
If they call our office at 540-343-4348, one of our experts will come out, take a look at what they need, size it correctly for that room, and give them a price up front on it.
All right, and your website is
SouthernTrustHomeservices.com.